do a few evolution problems. So this one wants to know about natural selection. Read the scenarios to determine whether natural selection is occurring or not. So this is number 31. So birds teach their songs to their offspring. Birds who are best able to replicate this appropriate song reproduce more successfully than others. So now let's think about natural selection. We have VISDA. If you don't remember that, that's variation, inheritance, selection pressure, differential survival and reproduction, and then adaptation of the species or the population. So let's see what we have here. Now, some of these may not be spelled out for here. We may have to deduce whether that's true. So, is there variation? Do we have reason to believe there's variation? Well, it does tell us that birds who are best able to replicate the song, meaning that if some are best, then some are not best. So we know there's variation. So there's variation in copying the songs. Good. Inheritance. Well, do the birds pass down their songs? Well, actually, in this particular example, it says that birds teach their songs to their offspring. So it's not genetically influenced. So just the fact that this is not an inherited trait, according to this scenario, then we know there's no natural selection. So if just one thing is missing, or we can infer that one thing is missing, we know it's no natural selection. But let's sort of think.